Lightwish sent me this watercolor travel kit and asked me to do a review on it. We'll start with the travel palette here. It holds 19 colors of paint. The size of the pans are about a quarter pan, so it holds actually a lot. The greatest feature of this is the ceramic mixing area. Of all the travel palettes that I have, the mixing area is either plastic or metal, and the paint just beads up on it. Here you can actually blend and mix paint without it beading up. Love that feature. Another great thing about this set is that this brush. Really love this travel brush. It comes with a little cap. You can close it up. It has a hole so that it can dry. And look at the point. It comes to a really, really sharp point. So you can do a lot of details, holds a lot of paint. You can really, really do some washes. So let's start here. I did a color swatch of the colors I selected on here. The colors really lay bright on the paper. The paper is a bright white. It's kind of hot press. It's not super smooth like some hot presses. It's sort of between hot press and cold press. Love the texture. And this one, I wanted to just wet the whole page, and I put a lot of water on there and then just dropped in some paint, did some splatters, just wanted to see how much the paper would buckle. It did warp just a little bit. All cotton paper is going to warp some, but when it dried, it was flat. And then I really wanted to take it on a test drive here. I did tons of layers for the background, probably 4, maybe 5, and then added some ink, did some lifting, which is, I really wanted to test the paper to see how it would handle lifting. It handled the tape, and the tape being removed without any damage to the paper. A great feature about this binder is you can take these out. You can buy refill pages and put it in, so you've got just one binder and you just keep buying the refills. Really, really love this set. 2 thumbs up.